Virginia has a 2-year statute of limitations for personal injury claims. If you miss it, you may lose your right to compensation forever, no matter how strong your case is. In Virginia, you have 2 years from the date of injury to file your claim. It sounds like a long time. It's really not. Building a strong case takes time. Gathering medical records, investigating the accident, consulting with experts. That process can take months, if not a full year in cases of medical malpractice. Not all law firms will take your case if you are too close to the deadline. So the sooner you call, the better. This applies to most personal injury cases, car accidents, slip and falls, any incident caused by someone else's negligence. But some cases have different deadlines. Wrongful death claims carry a 2-year deadline, but the clock starts on the date of death, not the original date of an injury like a car accident. Medical malpractice, same rule, generally 2 years. There's a limited exception if the injury wasn't immediately discoverable. The classic case is a surgeon leaving a foreign object inside someone's body. In that situation, you may have 1 year from the date you discovered the error, but that exception is really hard to prove, and the absolute deadline is 10 years from the date of the malpractice. Now, property damage claims are a little different. You have 5 years to file those. There are a few very rare situations where the deadline is paused. If the injured person is a minor, the clock doesn't start to run until they turn 18. If the injured person has a mental disability, the clock may pause until that disability is removed. And if the defendant left the state or concealed their identity to avoid being served, the clock may pause until they can be located. But these are very rare exceptions. Don't count on them. Assume the deadline applies, and if you have a claim and you think you might need a lawyer, act now. Missing the deadline doesn't just delay your case, it could end it. The court will dismiss your claim. You will have no legal recourse, no compensation for your medical bills, your lost wages, or your pain and suffering. Virginia courts take these deadlines very seriously, and so does any good lawyer. If you were injured in Virginia and you're wondering if you still have time, call us right away. Don't wait. Your window may be closing.